Oh, dang. All right, I've got a good one for you guys today because I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Google Pixel 9. And I'm excited to check this phone out because it looks like they finally kind of redid the design on these Pixel phones. They've kind of been the same for the last couple of years, but this time around, it looks like it's going to be very fresh and very different. All right, let me get the little plastic wrappers here off the back of the box, and we'll get this thing opened up. Now, I do like the box design on this. It's pretty cool. Looks like it's got like a little paper film around it. Looks like I'm going to have to just rip it off. So let me just tear this puppy off. Okay, all right, here we go. So it's kind of like a box within a box almost. All right, anyways, now I do have the black color. This phone currently comes in 4 different colors. There's a pink, a winter green, porcelain. They call it obsidian for the black. I just went with fresh black this time, but I did almost go with the winter green. I mean, it looked pretty cool too. We'll see how this looks. All right, let's get this wrapping off. And yeah, I mean, I could tell this phone's going to look nice. All right, dang, guys. Look at that freaking, yeah, man, that looks nice. All right, so this is like an all glass design, and it definitely looks a lot better than last year's release and the year before that. And probably, I would say the Pixel 6 was like the big upgrade of design, but now I feel like going forward with the 9, this design just looks really nice. Okay, so as far as some of the specs on this, it's got a 6.3-inch OLED display, 50 megapixel back camera, and a 4700 mAh built-in battery. Now, these Pixel phones, one of the biggest strengths I would say they have is the battery life. It's always really good. Now, I skipped through the startup screen so we could just kind of get things rolling here. First thing I like to do whenever I start up a new phone is check out some of the different wallpapers. Now, let's see what we got this time around on the Pixel 9. Looks like we got some fresh stuff in here. So I'm actually going to switch this up. We'll go with one of the different options in here. But, really, my first impressions of just unboxing this for like a minute or two now is that like the design upgrade on this phone is very nice. The next thing I want to do is how I normally do it, guys. I'm going to run some video. We're going to do a little gaming on it. I'm going to be posting videos all for the next like 5 or 7 days on the Pixel 9 so we can test it out. Of course, as I'm getting more into this, if you guys, want to grab this phone, there will be some discount links that I'll put below in the description and comments. I do think it'd be a worthy upgrade, though. Really, like I said, Pixel phones, they're really like mid-range phones that are just very nice. Battery life's really good. I love the design on this, and yeah, man, I'm just excited. So, let's run it.
Peter, it's time to get up.
Some see self-doubt as an invitation to be greater. This is your opportunity to prove it.
Of course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.
Is that...
Sit fast.
else.
We are not prepared for this.
I didn't understand why we evacuated the whole country.
Keep your eyes peeled, something's off.
I don't see anyone in these houses.